Hi, welcome to Mad Machine. Fasten your seatbelts, brace yourselves, and don't forget to grab some snacks for an even more enjoyable experience while watching this video. In this video, you'll see how massive trees in the forest are taken down. These giant machines are doing the heavy lifting, chopping down trees like it's no big deal. So, stick around till the end of the video to check out these badass tree-cutting beasts in action. Enjoy! The first one, Log Set 12, HGTE Hybrid. Log Set 12 HGTE Hybrid is one of the first machines in the world to bring hybrid technology to the forestry industry. It runs on a mix of electric and diesel power, which not only saves fuel, but also cuts down emissions. This is a big win for working in environmentally sensitive areas. With its strong and precise cutting arm, the Log Set 12H handles cutting tasks with impressive efficiency. Next, Arbro Mill. Arbro 1000 is a tree-cutting head that can be mounted on tractors or other small machines, making it ideal for medium-scale logging needs. Equipped with a strong and precise cutting blade, it easily and quickly cuts down trees. Its flexibility and easy installation make the Arbro 1000 a great choice for small businesses or selective logging in smaller forest areas. Next, HSM 208F. HSM 208F is a multifunctional harvester designed for high efficiency in tree felling and transportation processes. This machine enables operators to cut, transport, and process timber in a single step. Its standout features include a highly stable design and the ability to operate on rocky or challenging terrains. Ideal for large-scale logging operations, the HSM 208F minimizes the need for additional equipment and boosts productivity. Next, Giraffe All-Terrain Tree Trimmer. Giraffe All-Terrain Tree Trimmer is a versatile and reliable machine designed to tackle tree trimming in various terrains. Perfect for cutting branches and clearing utility or road pathways, it features all-terrain wheels and exceptional mobility. Making it ideal for use in both urban and rural areas. Its standout feature is the flexible cutting arm, which allows operators to work from a safe distance while maintaining precision and efficiency. Next, Energreen RoboMax. Energreen RoboMax is a unique remote-operated cutting machine that prioritizes operator safety while working in challenging terrains. Designed for rocky or sloped areas, it efficiently handles tree cutting and tough vegetation clearance. RoboMax excels at rapid land clearing, especially in hard-to-access locations. Its advanced remote control technology allows full operation from a safe distance, making it a secure and highly effective solution for a variety of applications. Next, Log Champ 550. Log Champ 550 is an advanced skidder with a high-capacity wood hauling capability. Widely used in Canada, it's built to transport felled logs efficiently through dense forest areas. Its exceptional pulling power enables the movement of large volumes of timber in a short amount of time. Designed for high efficiency, the Log Champ 550 boasts relatively low fuel consumption, making it an ideal choice for large-scale logging operations. Next, Hypro 755. Hypro 755 is a compact yet powerful machine designed for logging in dense forest areas. It can be mounted on a tractor or smaller vehicle, making it flexible for use in hard-to-reach spots. Equipped with an efficient cutting system, the Hypro 755 can quickly process medium to large trees. Despite its small size, it delivers reliable performance and is well suited for a variety of terrains. Next, Laco 83 HD. Laco 83 HD is a heavy-duty cutting head designed for use with large forestry machines, offering exceptional cutting capacity. It excels in felling large, thick trees, making it a go-to tool for industrial logging operations. Its standout features include a modular design that provides flexibility and ease of maintenance, along with high cutting precision. The Laco 83 HD is ideal for forestry projects in challenging environments that demand efficiency and durability. Next, Moorbark 50/48X. Moorbark 50/48X is a heavy-duty chipper designed to turn trees into wood chips for the timber or bioenergy industries. Featuring a powerful large rotor, it processes large volumes of wood quickly and efficiently. This machine is the perfect choice for large-scale projects requiring massive wood processing and is renowned for its reliability, even in tough conditions. Next, Woodcracker C550. Woodcracker C550 is a powerful tree-cutting tool capable of chipping tree trunks into pieces in no time. It's specifically designed for land clearing or vegetation management projects. Its key advantage lies in its ability to efficiently break down trees without the need for additional equipment. With a modular design that simplifies maintenance, the Woodcracker C550 is perfect for long-term use in forested areas. The massive tree-cutting machines we just saw really show how advanced our technology has become. On the flip side, let's be real. Without machines like these, there'd be no tables, chairs, or so many other things we use at home. Let's just hope our planet stays safe and sound. So, what do you all think of these machines? Do they really help get the job done? Do they actually make work easier? Drop a comment on which machine you think is the best. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss any new videos from this channel. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.